Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. If you are new to this channel, then do press the subscribe button. I create videos about make money online, affiliate marketing as well as online business. So if you are interested in this type of content, then this is the channel for you, and do just press the subscribe button. Now let's jump into the content without wasting any of your time, because I know your time is very precious and you don't have much time. Okay, so first of all, we are coming to clickbank. Okay, when you go to clickbank, you just have to create an account. If you don't have an account, then just go and create an account. Okay, it's easy, it's simple. You just have to fill out some of the details like your name, your bank details and some of those things, and then you are ready for with the clickbank account. Then once you create your account, just click on the marketplace over here. Once you have logged in your account, just go to the marketplace, and I'm going to show you a product which you can promote and earn money with that. This product is a very good product because it is selling. It has a gravity of almost more than 200, so this product is selling like hot cakes. That's one thing you have to understand. The more the gravity, the more the product is selling on clickbank. Okay, so just make a clickbank account and go to marketplace and open this spirituality niche. Okay, you can select it, and then you can just find this product which is known as manifestation magic. If you don't find this product, just type it in here in the search bar and you will find it. Okay, so this is the product which we are going to promote. Okay, once you come to this product, you just have to click on this affiliate page. Okay, once you click on that affiliate page, you will be redirected to the page where you can find this offers. Okay, now you just go to the bottom of this page. Here is click here to access affiliate tools. So you will get all the tools here of this product which you can use to promote it. Okay, so now we clicked on this. Okay, so we are ready. Now how we will promote this product? So everything is ready. We just came here, and now we got access to all these tools. Okay, for example, we get here email swipes for spirit whispering, banners, blog reviews, video swipes, as well as article landers. Okay, so we will click on the article landers. We are going to promote this product via article. Okay, for now. Okay, you just have to go over here and apply your clickbank ID over. So this is my clickbank ID which I am applying it over here, and you just have to press the submit button. Okay, once you press the submit button, you will get your affiliate links over here. See, these are the affiliate links. These affiliate links directly lead to an article. Okay, now I'll open one of them and I'll show you. It leads to an article, so you just have to share this link. Okay, I will be showing you how you will get traffic and everything. Okay, so this is the article. See, now you have seen this article. What you have to do is you open this article. Now you just have to copy this entire article just like this, Control C and then Control V. Okay, after you copy this entire article, you just have to open Google Docs. Okay, Google Docs, everyone knows that Google has a document editing software. You just have to type Google Docs and you have to paste this article over here, make some editing in it. Okay, now for example, if you want to add your affiliate link over here, I have already gained my you can get your affiliate link by clicking this promote button. Once you click this promote button, and here you just have to click on generate hop link. I have already generated my hop link, so I'm not gonna do it again. So that's it. Okay, once you get your hop link, you just have to go. You just pasted your article over here. Now what you have to do is just go and edit this article. Okay, remove whatever you don't like in this article. You can change this images, etc. Okay, it's just like Microsoft Word, how you can edit the document. Okay, now see here, I am just pressing this enter button so it comes downwards. Okay, now you just have to select some of the words which you are going to use. Okay, now let's say here interests of a leader. Okay, now I selected this much words, and now here I just have to paste the link in this place. Okay, now you are given here a link option. Okay, this is the insert link option. Just click over there and you just have to paste your affiliate link over there like this, Control V. Okay, so I pasted my affiliate link over here, and you just click on apply. So this becomes a link. Okay, and that's it. You can place this links in many places in this articles. Okay, now just add some spaces so that people don't get bored reading this articles. Okay, so yeah, just make it point to point wise, and so that people like to read it. If it is a really very big article, then it you just have to arrange it in a point wise manner like this, so that people get interested in reading it, and you can add a lot more photographs in this article. Okay, so just go and do it. Edit this in a simple manner. It's not at all much difficult. You can easily do it. Okay, now after doing this all this, your article will be ready, and you just have to do all this stuff. And now just go to the end of the article. Okay, after you click, here is the end of the article. Okay, you just select all this, this much. Okay, now you this is a call to action. Okay, you just make it bold, and you can also increase its size, just like okay, it's okay, the size is for now. You can increase it to, okay, now let's increase the size of this particular word. Well, let's make it 18. Okay, and then you just have to select this much, go to the link. This is a call to action. So at last, after reading this article, a person who wants to buy this product will click here. Okay, so this is the link came over here, and your article is almost done. You can edit it even more. You can tweak it in your way. You can add more pictures and make it more interesting. It depends on you how much you time. You just have to invest 10 to 20 minutes in editing this article, and then you are ready to go. Now this article is ready. Now you just have to save this article, Control S, and just download this article. Okay, now you just click on share, and here you have to click on save. Okay, now you can name this article like manifestation. ION. Okay, I named this article manifestation. Here you just have to select can edit, can comment, can view. Okay, you can select can view and then just send. Okay, so like you can understand the images. Okay, once more. Okay, add more people. It's okay, there's no need. And then just okay, you are ready. Okay, there's some error in this article. Okay, just go to file, open, make a copy, just download. Okay, and you just have to download this in a PDF document. Okay, after you just do this, download it in a PDF format. Just click here and it will be downloaded to your computer. Okay, so this article has been downloaded. Now this is the PDF file of this article which you have already created. Okay, this contains all the links. Okay, so here is the link which we gave already. Okay, if someone reads this article and clicks on this link, then they will be directed to your affiliate. Okay, now I'll be showing you where you are going to promote this article. Okay, this is the affiliate link which we made. Okay, this is the affiliate article which we have already created using Google Docs. Okay, now you want to promote this article. Now for that, I'm going to suggest you a website. This website is known as slideshare.com. Okay, this website receives almost millions of traffic every single month. So let me show you in the similar web. Okay, now let's go to similar web and see how much traffic this website gets every single month. Okay, now just go to similar web. Okay, we came to similar web, and just we have to write here slide. Okay, slideshare.net. Okay, so now we can see here that this website has ranked among over 253, and it's got a great traffic. So you can see it receives a ton of traffic, which is 171 million every month. So what you have to do is just go to over the site which is slideshare.com, sign up, and then just click on the upload button, and you can share this PDF file which you have already downloaded on this website, and you can just share as many files as you want, and whatever traffic comes to this website will see your article, and if they click on the link, and then you will get a commission. And that's so simple. And how you can do it, you just have to you won't get any copyright strikes, because all this article you are converting it into a PDF document and then uploading to this website, so there won't be any problem of copyright issues. So just you have to do is go to this clickbank offer, which is this manifestation magic, open it, and just get this article for you done, which is already given in the affiliate page of that offer. Just go to Google and then just edit the article as you want, download it in the PDF format like this, and then just share it on this website slideshare.com, and just you are ready for the go. This website receives a ton of traffic every single month, so you can imagine that how many people so many of the people would be interested in reading. So many of the people do search like manifestation, okay, manifestation in slideshare.com, and you can find a ton of articles about those over here. Okay, by mistake you just have to go to SlideShare and search here. Okay, manifestation, manifestation. Okay, and just search over the manifestation over here. See, these are the articles which are coming up. Okay, all these are PDF documents which are uploaded here. So if you upload this over here, then you will also your PDF document may come in this area. Okay, and you can earn a great amount of money. If someone reads and clicks on the affiliate link, then you may get a commission. So that's it. You have to just make a PDF article and then upload it to this website, which is slideshare.com, and then you are ready for the go. And if someone reads this article and earns money from that, then reads this article, then you earn a good amount of money from that article. That's it. That's simple, and that's how you do it. Okay, nothing is very difficult in this website, and this is a website similar web where you can check what amount of traffic any website visits. So there are many other websites like share a sale. You just have to type in Google like a PDF sharing websites, and you can share your PDF in all this website. And this is a free method with which you can promote a clickbank offer, any clickbank offer, whichever you want. Okay, so if you like this video, got some value in this video, then do press the like, share, subscribe button, and check out this other videos on my channel, which will also provide you a ton of values about make money online. So do press the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy and stay subscribed to this channel.